Build in your affiliate website. Simple 5-step process in under 1 hour. What you'll learn in this video: how to quickly build a professional affiliate website, shortcuts that'll make the setup easier, how to choose an affiliate network. When it comes to building your affiliate website, the idea is to keep it simple. Your website serves as a centralized location for building content, authority, and a list of active customers. That's it. All you need is a domain name, hosting account, WordPress, and a professional WordPress theme. Then you can incorporate a mailing list account and, of course, content. Step 1. Choose a domain name. The first thing you need to do is purchase a domain name for your website. Make sure to choose a short, memorable domain name that is easy to spell. Your domain becomes part of your brand, so take your time with this. A fast and easy way to find available domain names is by using the free tool at www.instantdomainsearch.com. Step 2. Purchase a hosting account. Make sure you choose a hosting company that has an admin panel like cPanel and offers one-click script installation. This will make it a breeze to install WordPress, even if you don't have a lot of technical knowledge. Step 3. Install WordPress. I recommend using WordPress because it requires no knowledge of coding or design. It's also very user-friendly, even if it's your first affiliate website. And it's free. If you have a hosting account that includes an automatic installer package, it will be incredibly easy to install WordPress. Step 4. Install a professional theme. There are many free themes available for download, so you don't need to purchase one. Just make sure you use a simple theme that will load quickly and not bog down your website. I recommend a theme from Elegant Themes, as they are designed to load quickly and are easy to customize. Step 5. Increase the functionality of your website with plugins. I recommend a social media plugin, an opt-in plugin such as Bloom that makes it easy to incorporate an opt-in box on your blog, an SEO package, a W3 total cache in order to improve speed, a security program like WordFence, as well as a backup solution like Backup Buddy. Step 6. Set up a mailing list account. You absolutely must start building a list from day one. Your subscriber base will be one of your most valuable assets. Add an opt-in box to your website's main page, as well as a separate landing page, so that you can funnel traffic to both areas within segmented marketing campaigns. I recommend aweber.com or getresponse.com. You can also use free WordPress plugins that will help making your opt-in code integration much easier. Choosing an affiliate network. Start off with Amazon Affiliates Program, Rakuten.com, ClickBank.com, and JVZoo.com. Choosing products shouldn't take longer than an hour. Just look for the most interesting and well-received products and find a way to incorporate those into high-quality content. Record everything you find. Then weed through the list by reading reviews, evaluating demand and commission potential. The most important thing is to choose products that are high quality. Never promote products that you haven't thoroughly researched. How to win. Build a mailing list and offer incredible content for free in order to motivate your visitors into becoming loyal subscribers and customers. Create a simple website and then provide in-depth product reviews where you promote products while giving visitors valuable intel that helps them make better purchase decisions. Cultivate a customer base of your own by connecting with subscribers via your own mailing list. Create or outsource bonus content that enhances the digital products you create so that you can encourage people to purchase your products instead of the competitors. If you do these things, you will always outsell other affiliate marketers and put yourself in an authority position. Becoming a super affiliate. If you want to make a lot of money in affiliate marketing, you absolutely must be fanatical about keeping tabs on your market. That way, you can effectively position yourself in front of your audience long before others do. One thing you should get comfortable doing is creating YouTube videos. They don't have to be fancy. Just point your camera at your face and talk to your audience about the products you are promoting. Then direct those people to your blog where they can read a product review. Integrate your affiliate links within all forms of your content and be honest with your audience. Tell them, yes, you will make money from their purchases. Don't underestimate the intelligence of your visitors. They likely already know that you'll make money from their purchase, so just be upfront about it. Transparency means less resistance from your target audience, and you'll be able to cultivate a brand based on honesty and integrity. Building a review-style affiliate website. One of the easiest ways to generate traffic to a new blog is by writing detailed, comprehensive, and direct review-style posts for the products you promote. Reviews need to be written so that they demonstrate to potential customers that you have personally evaluated the products and that you have experience using them. They need to come off as genuine and authentic, so write in a conversational style as though you are talking to a friend. And always focus on the benefits rather than features. Benefits emphasize how the product will help your customer in some way, and that's all they care about. You always want to guide people toward products that will ultimately help them achieve their goals, so they will purchase through you again and again. They'll trust you and your recommendations. Create a post that outlines the things you liked about the product as well as the things you didn't. This will demonstrate your honesty and come off as much more genuine. The most successful review posts are always written from a customer's perspective. Continue your training by watching the next Affiliate Rocket video.